decide how each body part will be animated. Most of the time, I work with keyframe animation, but in between, I also use frame by frame animation. So I usually use different techniques to achieve the final animation for certain body parts because keyframing is not always practical for everything. So overall, it's a mix of both techniques. So for this animation, if I talk about for the head arms, that includes upper and lower arms and the whole body, I have used bones. So here you can see all the body parts are connected through bones. Secondly, for eye blinking, I use frame by frame animation. Now these frames have created separately in each frame, and this is something which I need to copy and paste with proper gaps between the frames. So for the hands, I use frame by frame animation to show finger movement. Now you can see three types of hands are drawn in different frames. Now each hand has or is included in two frames. Now these are repeated multiple times to achieve the final result of typing. So you can also use bone animation for hands, but for that you need to rig each finger individually and add bones to them, which I feel is time consuming. So I personally prefer frame by frame animation here. Right. Then the eyebrows, I use the frame again frame by frame animation here, where I do not have much changes in the eyebrow, and it changes when the character gets surprised or gets a surprise call. So that's where there's a change in the expression. That's where I have used two different frames. For the mouth, I use select from markers. So here you can find all the mouth shapes under select from markers. So that's where I have used these different mouth shapes. All mouth shapes are stored as symbols so that it can be reused easily.